Highway to the danger zone. Bam, 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 bam. Right, we should be, I think, almost at the waterfall. Where's this waterfall then? I can't see it, Captain. Have a little look-see then, see? Let's have a little look-see. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Right then, that's the waterfall done. Hopefully I got a bit of decent or half decent footage of the waterfall. Let's get on to the next place. You can see a little bit here, is a little bit of behind the scenes. Because Alan is using his 360 and well, he's finished now, but basically it just shows you the amount of work goes into all this nonsense, because it's all a bit of a faff. You what? Trying to get your attention? No? Ah, Villarreal, that's where we're going if I remember rightly. Villarreal, I seem to remember seeing that on the old Google. Ferrari. Okay, we just stopped for a little picture, a little photo taking exercise. Oh, my mirror's all on the look at that vista. Look at the vista. What an awesome road. Oh yeah, we got a van right up our Sphinctories now. Got a little white van up our chuffs. Oh, it's gone a bit cooler. A little bit cooler up here. I'll tell you what, that doesn't hang around. With all that weight, oh, excuse me, with all that weight on it, I don't quite understand how that works, but still, when it's standard, look at that. Highway to the danger zone, something like that. These are awesome. What an awesome road. Look at that. I can't look at it too much. Wow. Check that out, look. He was saying that they've just built a new highway, so you know, a new motorway, highway, whatever you want to call it. Check that out. Took him forever, he said. I wasn't filming a minute ago because he was explaining what all this massive, like loads of gravel was all about, and we passed all these massive rocks and stuff, like a massive area full of all sorts of crap, and it's basically all the leftovers from where they dug those tunnels through there. Apparently they're 4 kilometers long, and it's all the bits of rock, and the area where we're going is, I think he said, called Behind the Hills. Any good?
Yeah, good. I went like that. That means rain now.
Oh, okay, roger, 10-4, I didn't realise. Well, that's interesting. It's a BMW something. That's cool. Monkey magic, monkey magic. Only some people will remember that. Ah, monkey! Oh, he's getting his ass out. He had his ass out then. You might get to see it now. I think you're going to get the moon. Fucking hell. Oh, gee. That was funny. What's that? What's that? It's a thing. It's a thing. Is it like bottoms of bits of gonna be a bridge once or something? Oh, it's a thing. Yep. Yep. Is your dad nicking bits of your dinner all the time?
Dinner. Yeah. It's got his own coming.
They're like massive crisps, but it's not. It's like chips, isn't it?
They're like hot chips. Yeah. Between chips.
Homemade crisps.
You can't say that. You can't say that anymore.
What? Homemade?
No, the first bit you said about the cut. About the cut. Sorry about the noise. Thick cut.
Thick.
Can't say that.
Oh, yes, that is meat somewhere. And
It's a big roof.
Or is it veggie?
Did you chew it?
Definitely said meat.
So what have you got there?
I have no idea. Something to do with Brazil. Oh, you need the meat.
Yeah,
What have you got?
It's meat.
where's the meat at?
That would be picanha with food.
Hang your knife and fork on the table like this and go, bring me something's flesh.
How can you have any pudding if you don't eat your meat? There we go.
Oh.
This is it.
Picanha.
Sausage. Picanha? Okay, you ordered Brazilian stuff?
Yeah, breakfast.
Those dois.
Loves a bit of sausage as well, don't you, Alex?
Yeah. Little sausage.
Picanha.
He likes bigger ones than that.
Picanha.
Brazilian meat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a plate.
Spare sausage. Won't be a spare sausage around with them two here.
I think you're supposed to, like mix these. Because they got all out one meal. Oh, mine is that. But you're supposed to mix these.
Is it beef?
Yeah, you go.
Yeah. You mix they'll put it back on if it's too rare for you. Or you can have the
okay.
outside bit if it's...
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and for one off your friends. Yeah.
Go for it.
We'd have gone in just.
What's those other bits next to the sausage?
Oh, that's it. Oh, the black beans.
Oh, you can't say that. So I've gone for barbecued chicken and a bit of garnish. He's got the sausage and meat thing, and so has he. Senior Lord Head has gone for a bit of salmon, and Pedro's gone for, as he calls, pig, but it's obviously pork. He likes calling it pig, with some rice. Whose are they?
Oh,
Right, look at these two. They got like.
Are you allowed to have one though?
not that one.
Oh yeah, not that one.
Well, we've just had food in here, as you've seen, and we're now gonna take the monkeys, go up here, and oh, look at this weirdo on a pink monkey bike. Yeah, we're gonna go up here to the museum now. We're in the museum now, and the first thing we've been greeted with is a bit of triple cock action. Triple cock.
How much is a cock?
There's, can I just draw your attention to the triple cock?
€50.
Oh, I love a bit of triple cock.
€50 the cock.
That's too much.
That's tray expensive.
This is too much for me.
Tray
I like
expensive.
a bit too cheap.
Yeah, triple cock.
Would you like to take it again?
I could take one of them home for Sarah.
Yeah, so what's important to find in every bottle of a port or a door wine, it's the seal of approval, the horseman seal as we call it. So this seal needs to be in every bottle of a port wine or Douro wine or sparkling wine from the Douro, and every seal has a unique serial number on it. So we cannot find two seals with the same number on them. So this seal proves that that bottle of port or Douro wine, it's the authentic one. So we have other countries around the world that produce port wine, but it was born here and the name comes from the city of Porto. So the seal should always be in every bottle port. If you want to know more about the bottle of port or that specific wine, when contacting the Port and Douro Wine Institute, which is the institute that controls all the production and regulates the production, you don't need to give them all the information on the label or the reverse label. Just give them the serial number. They'll go to the database and they have all the
It would
information.
be too late because we would have drunk it by then.
Double shot of that.
That's the nitrous oxide one, isn't it?
Jesus.
I'll have another go, hang on.
Have a double
What you do is you stick your beak in there. Yeah, I liked this one the best, I think.
This one's the best.
Cinnamon.
Caramel.
Caramel. Yeah, that's nice. I think that's raspberry, isn't it? No, yeah, raspberry. Peach, I like a peach. You reckon? Smell that peach one. That's nice. Love a peach, me. You loving that? Loving the peach?
Yeah, it reminds me of
Peach.
peach, yeah.
Yeah. I think we're going to try some port. Bless you. I want to quickly show how you. I'm going to quickly show how you open a bottle of port properly. That's got a cork in it. Watch this. Here you go. You heat the top of the bottle up, and then put an ice cube on it, and it breaks the bottle open. So you don't actually put a corkscrew in there. Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, decanting a vintage port. There you go, look. That's the hot tongs. And then the ice cube. See? And then he breaks the top off. And nothing goes in the bottle. See? And the tongs, that's the tongs.
We can fill in the bottle and we can leave the bottle there because when it gets to this point,
Yeah,
there's
no
no more wine going. It doesn't, we don't spoil any.
Automatic,
Yes,
electronic.
yeah. So there we have some
So
bottle protectors. We don't
obviously
straws.
we can't say ball cock anymore, can we? I will say it. But yeah, it's like a cistern of a toilet and it fills up 6 bottles of port at a time. This is what they use advertising it. Sluts. Aye, dirty wee slutties, so they are.
Can't have it anymore now, the ugly women.
Oh look, oh, I'll have to censor that one. Dirty sluts, just to entice the men into drinking port.
I bet it worked as well.
Yeah, I bet it did. It's working. We're gonna have some,
I
don't we?
really want some wine all of a sudden.
We're
Go
gonna,
outside.
I think we're gonna have some in a minute.
Go outside and see what happens.
People passing through this section, they can see the work life is always doing something different.
So what's he doing? Restoring
He's
that?
restoring an old painting on wood from the 16th century, and it has been here for some time now. And we took it to the hospital in the city of Lamego to use the X-ray machine. You can see the photograph here. And by using the X-ray machine, we found out there's another painting underneath this one.
No way.
So it's a very old one. So it took us some more research. And it's always it's a very delicate
So where's the
process.
painting behind it?
Yeah, which is the paint? I was.
Yeah, this is the same painting, but that's the X-ray.
The blue ones.
Yeah, the blue ones. And you see, there's another painting. Well,
Which is
you
the other
notice it
paint?
right away.
I'm not. Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
You see, it's different, and especially that one. And Carlos is always here.
He feeling like an ape in a zoo.
But we restore like paintings and sculptures and all sorts of different
Where's the different
things.
They're both different. Look.
Yes, there are some differences in the. You'll notice.
Yeah, there's like 2 guys standing behind
Yes.
Jesus,
Yeah.
a guy holding Jesus.
Yes.
On the top one, there's 2 guys behind him. So this is what we see now. That's what it was before. Yeah, it was.
Yes, it's.
You can
Isn't it?
see the stuff behind.
But he's drawn the 2 people now behind Jesus.
I guess it's just.
Is he?
Yes, it's really the lighter one on top, I believe. Yeah, I see there the 2 guys. They are not. Yes. That's what the original one.
But then he's adding the original.
Yeah, he's painting the one on top, but we found out there was another one.
Yeah, okay, I'm with you.
Yes. But before he did this, he's now repainting it, but he had to use like a small piece of like a tissue, and he had to clean all the surface because it was like everything
Covered in gentleman's relish.
Expect so.
It has been here for a long time. Here.
So this is stuff in here waiting for him to restore,
Yes, yes.
Cool.
We always give, like imagine people, anyone can restore their objects here, but we always give people a budget of what we are going to spend, how much time it will take, and then they can go back to the owner. So it's a really technical and professional work.
An object underneath the camera is going to be hard to restore.
Yeah, no, that's gone. He's never going to get that back. That's done. That is
ruined.
Never get that back. Right, very quickly, see all this artwork. This was a local lady. She told this museum where she wanted all these paintings put, in what position she wanted them all put in this gallery here. And she died, and in her will, she gave all these to the museum. They had some that they were allowed to sell, and they were selling for like 90,000 euros a piece. And they had, I think, 85 of them. And I said, it turns out there was a daughter, and I said, oh, but she was a bit not very happy because they came here instead of her having them if they're worth that kind of money, but apparently she's got loads of them. And some of the ones that were for sale, she came back and bought so that they wouldn't be sold, basically. So that's pretty mad.
This is the one for you. Amanda.
That was the one for me, is there?
There's one for you. Check that out.
Oh yeah.
Not funny, is it?
That is a bit twisted, I like that.
It's like a bit of boosh there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Split the whiskers.
Yeah, that's a little bit dodge, that one. Yeah, 80 to 90,000 euros each, he said,
I don't
didn't he?
understand how anything like that can be painted. I don't get art. I just don't get it. How can that be so?
I know what you mean, but cool. Sorry if this is windy, but check this out. There's the water down there of the river. Look how far down it is, right? You can see that mark there. That was a flood. I can't see the year. And that was another flood up there. Look, 1909. That was a flood. Look at the level of it. It's nuts, isn't it? Right, we're going to try. Oh, there's a cock. Alex, there's a cock.
2/16/62.
Bloody hell. Look at the cock. Stroke it. Go and stroke it.
That's a turkey.
Yeah, that's turkey.
Yeah. I got put in detention for picking up a duck at school.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. It sounds like the sort of thing you'd do. See if you can pet it.
Oh, look at him. With a little nutsack on his face. If I touch the cock.
Yeah, touch the cock. Did you get it?
Not really. It's like Nemo, teach the cook to touch the bone.
A little bit windy over here. Oh yeah, they're funny ones, aren't they?
I can speak that.
Yeah, look how low the water is. So that was a hell of a flood to go all the way up there. Madness. It's nuts, isn't it?
Okay, so we have a 10 years old Tawny port for you to enjoy after the visit to the museum. It's produced by Porto Requa, and Requa is the name the Romans used to give to this place. So the Roman, almost 2,000 years ago, they were the first to make wine. So this is a kind of port that aged in oak for around 10 years. As it is a blend, this is usually the average age of all the wines combined to make this port, because it's a blend of different years. So it's made with Touriga Nacional, Touriga Franca, Tinta Barroca and Tinta Roriz. These are 4 of the best red grapes, and it has 19% of alcohol content. So it's port wine is always between 19 and 22%. So that's the highest you can find.
Cool.
Can I get you to repeat that?
Yes.
So this is a light port.
Yeah, this is yes.
And I'm just going to phone when you're standing up. But you can do it briefly. It doesn't have to be as long.
Again,
they do that and they do that and they do right.
Okay, so we have a 10 years old Tawny port for you to enjoy.
Wow.
Visit to the museum. This is a
That's got it
wine
going
with
on.
an average age of 10 years, and it's produced by Porto Rico.
What do you think of that?
Local port wine
your camera?
producer.
No, the
this
port.
It's a blend of 4 red grapes, some of the best in the
Oh, there's a face.
Touriga Nacional, Touriga Franca,
You're not
Tinta
feeling it?
Barroca, and Tinta Roriz, and it has
Oh,
90%
Jesus. The youth of today. What are we going to do with him? Yeah, what do you think?
Behind it's absolutely fantastic.
It is, isn't
With a
it?
bit of blue cheese.
chocolate, for example, and it's sweet dessert.
Blue
it's usually
cheese.
goes
Cheese
with
grommet.
these.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Wow, that's really
Thank you so
nice.
much. Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Nice to meet you.
And you.
I hope you have a wonderful time here. A great time.
Thank you very much.
Obrigado. Thank you so
Obrigado.
much. Obrigado.
Thank you very much.
Wasn't there like any more wines to taste?
You have more
Just
to
can't-
go by the glass.
Can't please some
Yes,
people.
you can,
Look.
for example, as you're tasting a tawny, have you had some like a white port or something? You can
What about a
always-
ruby?
A
Ruby,
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 yes.
ruby,
Yeah.
ruby! Something like that. Oh, yeah.
Don't take
Can we sing this song at the same time? and
Oh,
we
it's
drink?
no need
but
for
if
that.
you
We've
have
only
the
had a
time,
little sip.
You can ask, but it's by the glass. You can ask for a ruby port.
Okay.
What do you think then, Senior Lord Head?
It's got nice notes.
I thought it had some very nice notes indeed. Alex is of the same opinion, aren't you, Alex? Don't you think it's got some very nice notes?
Where are you getting notes from?
Don't be such a you're so uncouth. So uncouth. We'll leave her at home next time, I think.
No, does
I'm
it?
really sorry we brought him with us,
I understand
Pedro.
about notes.
I know
Why?
music notes.
No,
I was just literally just about to remark upon the notes myself. You took the words right out of my mouth, Senior Lord Head. Straight out of my... Here, YouTube. Cheers. I'm getting some more. I'm getting some rubies. Oh, hang on, I've forgotten. Cinco? Ruby?
Ruby? Okay.
Por favor?
No problem.
Oh, thank you. What's thank you again?
Obrigado.
Obrigado. Obrigado. There we go. I'm getting there. I keep forgetting. Nice.
Before. Okay.
To the rain.
Was that the ruby one?
It's ruby.
Jeez, look at that. Launch 2, Rodney. Oh, this is the most common one.
Obrigado. Oh, Ruby, 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 Ruby.
Thank you very much, sir.
Right then.
I'm going to try this one and then try that one. The last bit. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Still the other one.
Cheers.
So cheers. Let's double cheers.
Cheers.
Double cheers.
And a yaki da.
Yes, a yaki
Yaki da.
It's a yaki da. Yeah, that tastes, that reminds me of the step at home.
Oh wow. Lovely. That is lovely. If I was on my GS, I'd have a bottle.
I want to take it.
I wouldn't know where to put it.
You have to drink it by tonight.
Yeah, that's lovely. That is.
You prefer the other one?
Preferred the tawny.
What do you think of the notes of this
The
one?
notes is rather different because
Yeah.
this is earlier. It's been picked with more firmer grapes.
Buttocks.
Yes.
Right.
And they leave the skins in because that's what makes it red.
Right.
Because if they don't leave the skins in, it's white, even though it's a red grape.
I don't remember him saying that, but I'll go with it. Is that right?
Of course, it's right. It's
Oh,
the same as the
okay.
note story.
I don't
It's not
just believe
bloody
anything-
bollocks made up, is it?
Well, I don't know. There is a
Well,
good
that's it,
chance
yeah,
of that
right,
because
right,
you are
right.
his father.
Now you believe everything I say now. I don't make it up. It's all
Cheers,
real.
YouTube. Love you guys. I'm bitterly disappointed in my new son, right? Check out this reaction, listen to it, right? Have a listen to this, listen. What do we reckon then, Alex?
I think they're quite sweet in this.
Not feeling it, are you?
Not great, no. I'll finish them off, I'll see them off.
You see them off?
I'll see them off, but it's not for me.
Probably what you said about Virgin.
What, I see them off?
See them off. Oh, look at this. It's going to absolutely hoon it down. And I've only gone very light, cheap, nasty hoodie. Oh well. We've had to move. Hang on, where's the mic? Where is the microphone on this? We've had to move because.
Your cock's gonna get wet, mate.
Oh yeah.
Left him out again.
My cock's out and it's going to get wet. Yeah, oh here it comes. It's happening.
Am I getting whipped? You liked it the other night.
Yeah. No. What is it, cozy? Oh, Jesus. Right. I'm going to have a go on the Thunderbox. Well, it's taken a slight turn for the worse. There was a nice bit of thunder then.
Dark notes.
Very dark notes. Very dark notes.
Your notes from now on.
I think, you know, like it makes 30 minutes if it doesn't clear.
I got no waterproof attire at all.
I would say nothing, but
There's the answer to what's going on.
What, put your cock under the chair?
that's probably going wrong.
They know what they're doing.
They do, yeah.
They know what
His
they're
cock
doing.
is lovely and dry.
I wonder how warm it will be if we get
Nah, mate.
cold. Well, I mean
It'd
wet.
be horrible. Obviously, I never have waterproofs anyway. That's
No.
the way
But
I
when you
roll.
do, you melt them.
Exactly, but this is stupid if you ride
Can
it.
I say? I ain't
You
gonna-
can say whatever you like.
I'm not going to ride in this.
That'll do then.
That's it then.
That's it then.
You put your foot down.
I'm
You're
not
putting
going
your foot
to.
down.
You guys
Stamp your
can.
foot.
Anybody else can. I'm
Nah,
not
you're-
going
Well, we'll wait.
to do 2 hours
Like
in
we
that.
said, you're part of the team and part of the shit. So you ain't going
Yeah.
to
I wouldn't be trusting myself on the bike. 2 hours have become 3 hours.
And it's slippy. It's very slippy.
Yeah.
If they're little windy roads like we've been doing,
Oh, bit lightning then.
Think about it, it's been so hot and all the stuff on our roads has seeped into the ground and now it's
Here we
coming
go.
back.
I never went out on my bike.
Oh, you're a fair weather,
I
right?
am. I was. Yeah.
Come on.
Well, you want a big crack, don't you? A big
Yeah, I want a proper. Have it, you slag.
Big crack.
Yeah, I prefer a small crack to be honest. Not too small, obviously. That'd be a bit dodge. Oh, okay. Oh, cock's out in the rain. You better alert someone.
Cock.